PLC, brothers and sisters. Let me tell y'all a story. Tell it, girl. A story about them people that they call y'all sweetmeats. They're supposed to be your best friends. But that ain't the case, y'all. They stole my soap, they used my toothbrush, and they never cleaned the seat.
Toilet paper's all gone.